Here are some tips when you first start soldering.
Safety is always number one, so you're going to need some safety goggles and some type of breathing ventilator mask so you don't get anything in your lungs. This mask will also be very helpful if you ever go sand down any pieces. This is optional, but you really need good ventilation, so I have this fan that sucks up a lot of the soldering gas and filters it through. You just turn it on and it sits there and it sucks up stuff. It's very nice. This is a third-hand plier, and this is actually a godsend because I thought I wouldn't need it, but I did, and I ended up buying two. For your solder to move and float, you'll need flux, so I have this and a designated paintbrush because whatever the flux touch is absolutely ruined. It doesn't matter what solder you use, but if it's for jewelry, it has to be lead-free. I use flow-safe lead-free solder I got off Amazon. You also need a solderer, so I got this kit for $50 off Amazon, and it came with a heater up, a little soldering pen, and a tip cleaner. The one I got was a little pricey, but it was definitely worth it, and this tip cleaner is very necessary. As you solder, the metal kind of gets gross if it heats up for too long, so you kind of want to clean it off in here, and it makes your pieces look a lot cleaner. Keep in mind you're working with something that's 800 degrees Fahrenheit, so you'll need something the metal can attach to, so I have copper tape here. You tape this on the object you desire, and then you smush it down as clean as you can. I took my nail and made sure it laid flat against this sharp tooth over here. You want to make sure the part you're attaching your metal to is secure and won't come off. With time, you'll find the technique in your style. Let me know if this helped.